let's calculate orientation for the door, window, or wall category. So let's take an example with wall category. So you can take any wall from the project, go into management data. Here you will get the list of all walls that are created in this project. So right now we want to calculate and we want to know the real wall orientation. Here we have, with the right-click menu, we have functionality with the name calculate or right orientation. So right orientation is very simplified possibility just to know the orientation like east, west, north, and so on. So right now here the tool gives me possibility to pick parameter, any text parameter that is created right now in this project. Actually, I can pick any of those 3 text parameters, but also I can create my new parameter. Also, this parameter will be shared, and this parameter will be created for the wall category. So after pressing OK, we can add a parameter name. And right now the tool will create additional orientation parameter with the orientation values. As you see here, right now every wall will have orientation value. If you want to get a more complex value, so you can go again with right click and you can go into calculate orientation. Right now I will use the same parameter. I will not create any additional parameters. I can write other values on the same parameter, so I have to be on this parameter and I have to be on any value. Actually, if you want to assign values just for several elements, so you just need to select them from the list here. If you are selecting just one element, so the tool will work for all elements from the project. So let's go into calculate orientation, and here, as you see, there is more complex dialog where you can say what kind of compass you want to include with 8 points or with 16 points. If it's necessary, you can add degrees, you can specify the rounding and separator and the unit symbol. And after pressing OK, the tool will write those orientation values into our orientation parameter. So that's it. We have orientation values, and let's check again. If I will select any wall from the project, I can find that orientation parameter under the properties. And this parameter is shared. You can check that with going into the project parameters, and here we will get such parameter. So you will be able to use that parameter in your text or in your shadows.